Hey, welcome to a new episode of Rad City Berlin. Thank you so much for checking out today's episode. We're almost there, 1,000 subs, so welcome to the channel. If you're new to Rad City Berlin, welcome. We put out Super73 electric lifestyle content out here in Berlin every single week on Rad City Berlin. To all my subscribers returning, welcome. Thank you so much for coming back to Rad City Berlin. Today we're going to be installing the OR kit on the Super73 ZX. It's going to be really fun. One of the last mods. We're going to also be working on the cranks at a later video. But for right now, we'll just go ahead and install the OR kit on the Super73 ZX. Yeah, so the 1,000 sub giveaway, I'll let you guys decide. We'll be definitely giving out Rad City hoodies, that's for sure. But then we have mods that we'll give out for the Super73s. So I'll let you all decide. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys want to win on the 1,000 sub giveaway here in Rad City Berlin. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take off the Super73 stock handlebar, and then we'll throw on the OR kit. Put this video on time lapse. I'll do a little bit of narration on top of the video. So let's go ahead and get to the install. Enjoy this video. Short little install here, montage. And then I'll catch up with you guys at the end and go over the 1,000 sub Rad Swag giveaway in more detail. Enjoy the show. Super easy install. Basically, take off all the grips, the levers, and remove them first here from the stock handlebar. So now that we have the Super73 handlebar off, we can go ahead and hold it up here in comparison with the Super73 OR handlebar. And you can see that the Super73 stock handlebar is a little bit shorter than the OR kit. The OR kit you can see is wider, but shorter. The stock handlebar you see here is taller, but narrower. So there's a little bit of a difference between the stock and the OR kit you can see here. Yeah, cool, so let's go ahead and throw on the Super73 OR kit now. We'll leave the throttle off of the OR kit because we don't need that. We have our left-handed throttle on the bike. So yeah, basically we reverse the process, super easy. Before attaching the Super73 OR kit, we'll go ahead and attach first levers, the brake lever, the gear shifter, the buzzer, but then we won't tighten that down just yet. Let's go ahead and put on then the grip first. Then we'll go ahead and tighten down the grip so that way then the grip is holding everything else from falling out. Do the same thing on the left side. Put in the brake lever, the throttle, the diamond display. Put on here the ODI Vans grip. Tighten that down nice and tight so nothing will fall off. And now with those on there, at least not hanging off the bike, now we can mount it back onto the top clamp here, okay? Now we just do it like we did before in a diagonal pattern. Tighten that down. Make sure it's nice and adjusted to your size. All right, and right before you really get it too tight, definitely sit on the bike, give it a feel, see how it feels, and then finish tightening down the screws like this, diagonally, and you're golden. Yeah guys, it's been so much fun making videos for y'all. It's pretty amazing the comments that you guys leave for Rad City here, so I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful for all the support on Rad City Berlin. In this video, hopefully we're going to be reaching 1,000 subs, so if not, hit that subscribe button, support Rad City, take part in the 1,000 sub Rad Swag giveaway coming real soon. Hopefully in the next video, I'll be able to formally announce all the different prizes and giveaway here on Rad City Berlin. So like I said, we'll definitely be giving out a Rad City hoodie, more Rad swag, some Super73 mods. So I want to know from you all in the comments what mod you guys want me to give out on the channel, and the item with the most comments, I will announce that formally in the 1,000 sub giveaway details, right? So today, short little video, getting here the ore kit on here, all right? Like I said, any mod, take a look. Be reasonable, but yes, definitely take a look, see what you guys want. This channel's for y'all. These mods are for y'all to win. So I want to know what you guys want to win. Ore kit, blur handlebar, slow carbon ZX, fender kit, Irv Labs basket, the beautiful Raid Dynamics, mole panel. Choose your own adventure, save €100 off any Super73 with the Rad City discount code in the description of this video. If you want to save 10% off a Rare Bird London anti-pollution face mask, look in the description as well for the code RAD10 to save yourself 10% off any Rare Bird London anti-pollution face mask. Really good high quality face masks, all right? So Rad City, happy to bring you guys these discounts. You know, I make this channel for myself, really for my own creative outlet. I have fun making videos for y'all. And the giveaways that I give out here in Rad City Berlin, those are for the audience, for the subscribers, for the people that are supporting Rad City, right? So again, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all the support since day one. So all my day one fans from Rad City Berlin, hope you guys have seen some improvements, some progression in the channel. We're always striving to improve, always working hard to do new, rad, cool stuff for y'all here in Rad City Berlin. So check, ore kit is now done. That's good to go. We can go ahead now and get this thing outside. Take a nice little spin around here, the courtyard here at Craftwerk. See what it feels then with the ore kit. It should be nice. It should be a good feeling. I'm looking forward to that. If it's anything similar to like my RX, where it's a bit more aggressive stance, I'm good with that, but then you're pushing down more on the front end. So let's go ahead and get the ZX outside. We gotta first make room here, get the RX out of here. All right, let's go ahead and get the RX out of here, so that then we can get the ZX out of the stage here. All right, check. All right, RX is good there. Let's go ahead and get onto the ZX, go for a spin around the block. Nice. That ore kit feels good. Nice positioning, I find. Like pushing now, pulled back nice and in a good position now, where I can kind of like sit back now more and pedal this thing. So now I just have it in mode 4, unlimited mode, so we can kind of test out the throttle here off-road. Yeah, that's perfect. That works great. Not about to get bumpy here. Oh, 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 oh. Not bad with one hand. Yeah, that ore kit, nice. Butter smooth. Yeah, I really like the positioning of the handlebar. I find it's really good, especially like one-handed now. I feel more in control of the bike for sure. Keep like a finger on like the back tire and like the back brake, but we're good. Super73 ore kit, nice. If you want to win one of these in the 1,000 sub giveaway for your ZX, S2 or RX, leave it in the comment below and let me know if you want to win the ore kit or whatever else you guys want. Hey, thanks so much for checking out today's video. Super73 off-road experience install here at the Craftwerk. I'm Rad City, Berlin. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, support Rad City. 1,000 sub Rad Swag giveaway coming real soon to the channel. Coming up in the future, we have a lot more Super73 ZX content planned here on Rad City, Berlin, plus more RX content planned as well too. I'm working on a Super73 S2 review as well too. So thanks again for checking out today's video. Hope you guys stay safe. I'll see you guys again real soon. This is Rad City. I'm out. Hashtag Rad City Berlin, Rad City Worldwide. Happy to feature a random subscriber's bike each week here on Rad City Berlin. I put out a post the other day on Rad City Berlin on Instagram to feature your ZX here on today's video. So in today's video, we'll check out this ZX here from our subscriber. Beautiful ZX, awesome setup. So I'll leave the Instagram link below in the description as well too. So check out his Instagram page, leave a follow, leave him a like for that picture. Awesome ZX setup. So thank you for posting that. Post your bike with the hashtag Rad City Berlin if you want to feature your bike on a future Rad City Berlin video.